Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox and I am back with another video. Today we have a $5,000 grant for you that I want to get into. I just got this email 9 minutes ago, so this is fresh off the market. This grant was just released, so I'm pretty sure they will get a lot of applicants. So just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you guys appreciate the quickness of me getting this content out for you guys. This is why I'm doing voiceover and not doing a lot of video content, because I'm able to produce more content for you guys when I do voiceover, so that you guys can hurry up and apply for these things so that you could be one of the first in line. So let's just dive right into this $5,000 grant. So this $5,000 grant you can use for your business. This is the Small Business Growth Fund that provides the capital entrepreneurs that need to make their next big move. Each recipient will receive a $5,000 grant provided by MasterCard to accelerate their growth and continue to help make 2022 the year of their small businesses. So eligible businesses can apply. You must be a for-profit business. So if you are a nonprofit, I'm sorry, but you're not eligible for this business. You must have less than 1 million in 2021 gross annual revenue. You must have a commitment to their customers and community, and you must have a clear plan for use of funds. So honestly, guys, this is a nice grant. This grant doesn't have too many restrictions, too many requirements. Just have to have a for-profit business and make less than $1 million. It's pretty straightforward, and you are one of the first to know about this. So make sure you check this out. So what to expect when to apply? All you have to do is sign up for a Hello Alice account and just go ahead and apply for the Small Growth Fund application. And I will go over that. You know I will go over it. So make sure you stay tuned. This application does close October 14th of 2022. So you have 2 months, less than 2 months actually. You have a good chunk of time, but it's going to take less than an hour to complete. So if you know about it on the day that it just came out, you'll be one of the first to get this application completed. They will be planning to announce the winners by the end of November. So before Christmas, you'll have a $5,000 grant. And I wish you guys good luck. I always want to let you guys know that I really hope that a lot of you guys do get granted these grants that I put on my channel, because this is what I do it for. I want you guys to get funding for your business. And this is why I spend my time on trying to find grants for you. Or when I get an alert and I'm going to run straight to my computer and record this video for you guys so that you guys can get first dibs on it. Okay, let's talk about the application. So once you sign up for a Hello Alice account, you will be able to apply for this application. So again, this is the 2022 Small Business Growth Fund, and this is a round 3. So this is when the small business succeeds, everyone benefits. Join us to kick off the year of the small business by leaning into your small business dreams. Hello Alice is rewarding small business owners with $5,000 to help them make their best move in 2022. Again, you must have $1 million in annual revenue, and you must have a commitment to their customers and community and have a clear plan to use the grant funds. So this is round 3, and the applications are open through October 14th at 6 p.m. Again, this application just opened today. So let's talk about the application. So first is asking you what's your first and last name, the best phone number for them to reach you at if your application moves forward. What is your gender identification? What race are you? So you can be any race. This application did not say that this is for a specific race or gender. So this is a really good application. Then you'll talk about what do you identify as. Also, if you consider yourself as a disability or with disabilities, you will talk about your military affiliation if you have any. What is your age range, and what is your path to business ownership? Did you inherit your family business? Did you expand your business to a hobby? Did you purchase your business from someone else? Is this an idea? What are your current source of funding, if you have any? So small business loan, personal saving loans, bootstrapping, friends and family. Do you use business credit cards right now to fund your business, etc.? Are you looking to raise money now? Next, you'll talk about your business and what you do. So what is your name of your business? You also talk about what type of business you are operating. So whether you're LLC, S Corp, a nonprofit, etc., you'll talk about that. You'll talk about where's your business mailing address. You also talk about what year was your business founded. What is your EIN number? What is your business website? Now, these are optional, but I do recommend you have these when applying so that they can know that you are serious about your business. So if you don't have a business website, create one. You have until October 14th to submit this application. If you don't have a business Facebook page, create one. You have until October 14th. If you don't have a business Instagram, create one. You have until October 14th. Okay. You don't have to be active on it, but just try to create one and try to be active on it. Okay. You don't have to have 1 million followers, but at least you have one. Trust me, there's going to be tons of people who apply for this grant that does not have none of these. So this is kind of making the list shorter for the judges because they're looking for stuff like this. Now you talk about what is your business industry? How is your product or service sold? Do you consider your business to be a tech company or a tech-enabled company? Is your business certified by any of the following? So let's dive right into the questions. This is what we all came here about, right? So there are short questions on here, and I want to dig into the short questions because these are the most important thing on the application. Judges will be looking at your short answers out of everything and how you articulate your short answers to let them know more about your business. So first short answer question asks, how would you describe your business? What are the products and or services you offer? So this is where you want to talk about why you start your business and what type of problem does your product or services solve. And also, if you are just starting out, then you want to talk about why your business could make the world a better place and explain why. If you want to still solve a problem, let them know what type of problem you are looking to solve. So include yourself. How many employees does your business have? Next question is, what percentage of your team is from a historically underrepresented group, including but not limited to women, people of color, military affiliated, persons with disabilities, or LGBTQ? What was your annual gross revenue for the previous calendar year? You want to talk about what is your expected annual gross revenue for this calendar year. And if you are currently not making a dime for your business, then what do you expect to make this year? So let's learn more about your challenges as a small business owner and how we can help you. So have you ever been turned down for a business loan from a traditional bank in the last 5 years? You want to make sure you are truthful with this. What is your top business goal in the next 5 years? Okay. Do you want to launch your business? Do you want to build your brand, create a strategic plan, manage your finances, hire a team, develop a product, acquire customers, grow a following, monetize your business, raise capital, pivot your business, exit your business? So these are some really top business goals. Make sure you choose one that you really want to do in the next 5 years. How would you articulate your current business outlook? Okay. Is your business steady and you're confident it will stay afloat? Is your business struggling, but you're confident you will stay afloat? You're not sure whether or not your business will remain open. You are concerned your business will go under. Be honest with this stuff, guys. This grant is here to help you. So the more honest you are, the more chances you'll get a chance at winning this grant. What is the biggest obstacle or challenge that your business faces? So you want to talk about some challenges that you may face. Do you face challenges in growing your business? Do you face any challenges of finding a network to support you? Do you face challenges in hiring a team or raising capital and finding a loan and so forth? So you want to be honest with this and make sure you are very truthful, because remember, this grant is to help other businesses. So they want to know your obstacles. They want to know your challenges so they can help you. If you are a perfect business, then why are you looking for funding, right? So make sure you are truthful and be honest with them. So you want to also please elaborate on your biggest obstacle or challenge in the in 2 sentences or less. So make sure if you do need help with hiring a team, for example, let them know why you need help hiring a team. What is your biggest obstacle on doing that? Do you need help learning what departments you need in your business? Stuff like that. Do you need help with trying to go through the interview process? Do you need the means to try to hire people, to interview people? This is something that you want to be very hands-on with them and let them know the obstacles in your business, because you are the person that runs your business. So they want to know from the source, how can we help you? So in addition to funding, which of these resources would be the most helpful for your business? So would you want to do one-on-one coaching sessions with business experts? Would you want to do group mentorship sessions with business experts? Would you want to help find suppliers and vendors and so forth? So make sure you be honest with that. And we're going to go into the section of your business and the community. So in addition to your core business proposition, does your company do anything more for the community? Please select all that apply. So do you donate funds to your community, causes, or organizations? Do you donate goods and or services to community causes or organizations? Do you raise awareness for a social mission? Do you host volunteer days of services with employees? Do you host community gatherings? Do you do other or none of the above? So does your business engage in sustainability practice? Do you offer remote work, provide public transit commuter benefits? Do you reduce, reuse, recycle? Do you compost? Do you use sustainable products or packaging? Do you make energy efficient upgrades? Do you buy carbon offsets and others? So the most important part is this, of course, and this is your opportunity to share with them everything they need to know. Like I said, in order to make this funding decision, they will be looking at these short answer questions, and this is how they're going to judge you off them. So make sure you use this to your best ability. Make sure you proofread. You make sure that you read it over and over again to make sure that they understand. Question 1 basically will, in the short answer section, says, tell us more about you and why did you become a business owner? What is the origin story of your business? And please be as specific as possible. So this is where you want to mention your passion and your dedication to your business and what made you start your business. If selected as a grant recipient, which of the following do you plan to use this grant primarily for? So do you want to use it for general operating expenses, sourcing or expanding inventory, developing a new product or service, hiring new employees, for payroll or marketing and advertisement, or other? If it's other, please elaborate. So next question is, please elaborate on how you intend to use this grant funding. So in this question, you want to explain how this grant will get you to the next level. You want to basically visualize to them what $5,000 would do for your business. Like I said, if you want to do general operating expenses towards utilities, rent, permits, licenses, cost of goods, let them know how much it costs, where it's coming from, and what you plan to spend this on. Okay, the more you are specific as possible, the better chances you are going to get this grant. So they also want to know is, tell us more about where you're headed. How would this grant accelerate your business and help you achieve your business goals? So this is where you mention your good accomplishments in your business. Or if you have not started your business, explain what are your goals you set for yourself that will make you proud and how this grant will help you achieve that for your business. The next question is, how does your business connect and support your community? In this question, you want to explain how your community is involved, or explain how you want your community to be involved. If you have not launched your business off the ground yet, you just want to explain what it would look like if this grant was awarded to you and how this will look for you in your business. The next question is, we want to hear what makes you proud of your business. What's your biggest accomplishment to date? So again, this is where you want to mention your biggest accomplishment to date, but also mention how this affected your business. You know, what makes you proud of your business? What makes you wake up in the morning? For example, each day that you wake up in the morning, do you feel like your business is helping lives? Is it solving problems for people? This is something that if you are solving problems and making people's lives better, this is something to be proud of. This is what the world needs. So, make sure you let them know what's up about your business and what your biggest accomplishment in your business to date. So the final clicks of the application is you want to declare if you and or your company have conflict of interest, and conflict of interest are not limit to, but may include a company employee, family member being employed by Hello Alice, or Hello Alice employee financially invested into your company. So if you work for Hello Alice, let them know. If your family works for Hello Alice, let them know. And if you do, explain the conflict of interest. And also, how did you hear about the 2022 Small Business Growth Fund? If you heard it from here, social media, you heard it from me. Okay, so then you click submit, and I wish you guys good luck on this $5,000 grant from Hello Alice. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, guys. If you made it all the way to this end of the video, I appreciate your patience, but that's why you're going to win, because you have patience. Okay, make sure you comment down below if you will be applying for this grant, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.